have come for the 7th time to the collector's office in pursuing a complaint we had put regarding tree felling. Of late, if you see all the streets in and around the periphery of Margao, there is tree butcher that is happening, and that's why we who have taken up tree plantation, nurturing trees and concerns to coordinate and cooperate with combating global warming, this is in that respect. We have to protect ourselves, not wait when there is no remedy. So we followed up a complaint that was made in April. Subsequently, now we are at the end of June, and we are very disdain to tell that there was a lot of apathy along the way. We went to the police, we went to the collector, we went to the forest department, we went to the PWD, and everybody is just sending us from here to there, to there, to there. And the contractor who is contracted to do this job of trimming or pruning is doing it in the most horrific way. It is not scientific at all, which is agreed to by some of the officers. We don't want to name them because everybody is a little bit conscious about their own butt. You know how it is. So forget that. But we are here to protect the trees and our ecology. You see, we have a casualty here. Like this, the nests of squirrels, bird nests have fallen, and their shrieks, who is hearing them? Nobody. They cannot speak for themselves. We have chosen today to make them the voice. At least our ecosystem, the fruit-laden trees are cut, which is not posing a danger to anybody. So in the name of pruning or trimming, the timber mafia also is making hay, and all these things are known by the administration and they turn on Nelson's side. It pains us to say these words, but सरकार तुमच्या दारी म्हणटा आमी सरकाराच्या दारान कितले फावटी आयले न्याय मेळना पूण आयज एकूच खोशेची गजाल कलेक्टर हॅज टेकन इट अप and he has assured us that he will deal and give the necessary instructions to stop this kind of unscientific butcher of trees. We need our trees, and I take this opportunity to appeal everybody, plant more trees, look after trees, nurture them. If no trees, we don't live much longer.
हांव म्हणटा ती झाड रोयले ती देवान रोयतलो न्ही ती तांकां मारपाक कायदो केसो आहा आमी त्या झाडाक हॉळ खायन आमी व्हडली जाल्याय पूण ही झाड मान आमकां आमगे हें आमगे ब्लायक पैदा जाता ती तांकां खबर आहा आं तांकां खबर आसना न्ही ती झाड कित्याक मारप जाय जाल्यार कितें रस्ते आयले जाल्यार तें झाड मारप न्ही बेश्टी झाड कित्याक मारप
It's not only us, there are people who are concerned, and we appreciate whoever has made it known to the collector. And the contractor is getting away by saying that it is collector's order. That is not collector's order. We have seen collector's order is trimming the trees, but down the line nobody is following the order properly.
And as you have said it rightly, because once you say that it's collector order, nobody will come forward and
So that's the abuse. That is what is happening.
Action point number 2, which I have given you, says that linear plantation along the national and state highways, rural roads, canals and river embankments and railway lines should be carried out as part of the Goa State Action Plan on Climate Change. Instead of doing this, they are doing something opposite by cutting the trees. It is very clear, Magiringa, greening of urban spaces through appropriate afforestation programs like Nagar 1, city forest, woodland, coastal green belt, offices, residential complexes, biodiversity parks. But the opposite is happening. Magir, we are bound by the fundamental right under the Constitution, which is to protect and improve the natural environment, including forests, lakes, rivers and wildlife. Okay. Point number 3, under the Forest Environment Protection Act, the definition of environment says that environment includes water, air and land, and the interrelationship which exists among and between water, air and land and human beings. When this sort of thing is happening, these are violations of all these laws, violation of the Constitution. Now,
why do you think this is happening?
This probably is happening because see, there is a High Court order also that there has to be an audit done. 3 audit. A public interest litigation of 8 of 2021, Living Heritage Goa versus State of Goa with Principal Secretary of Forest. And directions have been given Very clear directions have been given. But at least we are happy that the collector has just now in front of us given a call to the PWD and asked him to investigate who the contractor is, who is butchering these trees.
During monsoon, we had issued orders to PWD and other departments to cut any dangerous branches of any tree. So today, some people from Salset met me and said that in some cases, bigger branches are being cut by the contractor or something. So I have ordered the PWD to check the matter and do an inquiry. And also, we will be issuing more clarification with respect to this, where only necessary branches are cut and not the entire big branches of the tree or any tree is being cut. So we will find out and we will issue further clarification.